Greetings. I want to encourage you to accept your God-given treasure. You see, a treasure has been given to you. And when you tap into that treasure, you can get anything that you desire. That is why you're told that if you look to an outside treasure, moth and rust will destroy that treasure. But there's an inner treasure. And when you find that inner treasure, then you would know that that treasure is where your heart is. You see, when it says where your heart is, there shall your treasure be also. It is telling you that the heart is the seat. I'm waiting on the wind because I want you to get this one. Okay? Yes. It is telling you that the heart represents the seat of your consciousness, your awareness. And so it is giving you the location or the direction of your treasure. So the main thing I want you to get from what I am saying is that the treasure is within you. The pearl of great price is within you. The kingdom of possibilities is within you. The kingdom where all things are possible is within you. And it is at the place of the heart, the seat of your consciousness, your awareness. Okay? And so if you're familiar with the 7 chakras, you would know how important it is for you to activate your solar plexus, the place of light, the place of the sun. That is why I've been teaching the inner sun science and technology to create your reality consciously. Because if you look and observe carefully, you would realize that the sun is what powers all of humanity and powers all of nature. The sun gives each and every one its energy. And everything is based on energy, vibration, and frequency. And so you get all of your vitality from the sun. And so too you will get all your ideas, your dreams, your goals, all the things that you need in this life through inspiration. And that inspiration will come from the seat of your consciousness, your awareness. You see, the spark of the infinite intelligence is within you. Today is a very, very, very windy day, okay? So I'm going to wait on the wind a little bit. So, yeah, you will have to activate that spark that is within you by learning to listen. And how do you listen? By observing the silence. And how you observe the silence? By practicing daily meditation. Learn to calm your mind down daily. Also practice daily affirmation. Do mirror work. Do scripting. Do journaling. Do all of these things to exercise your mind and to activate that inner solar power. And whatsoever you put your hand to, it will prosper. Okay, it will expand because you're working with energy. So you have an outer solar system and you have an inner solar system. So the inner solar system I'm pointing you to because you are a spirit having a human experience. So I'm teaching you how to contact your soul, which is your higher self, your God self, your invisible self, and live from inside out. So stop ignoring your treasure by looking at the outside for a Lord and a Savior and a Master and a Redeemer. I'm saying that the redeeming power is within you. The saving power is within you. But you have to accept that fact. You see, you're the Lord and Master of your destiny. And you have the key to the door. That is why you're told that if thou canst believe, all things are possible to him that can believe. But what are you going to believe in? You got to believe in your invisible self, your non-physical self, that energy, that infinite intelligence that we call life. And you have to transmute that energy into the equivalent of whatsoever you desire in this three-dimensional physical world. That is why those rituals that are exercises that I told you to do, you have to do them daily to activate that power in you. And that's how you will definitely find the treasure that is within you. You see, religion, politics, and the school system, they are three systems that set up to rob you from finding that treasure that is within you. Because in order for you to really discover this treasure that is within you, you have to get in touch with your mental faculties. And you're born here with those mental faculties like your will, your perception, your reasoning, your memory, your intuition, your imagination. But the school system will trap you in memory only, where you just regurgitate back everything. So they teach you what to think, but they never teach you how to think. The church system also will do the same thing. Okay, and have you looking on the outside instead of you looking on the inside. So they interpret the Bible to you from an exoteric level instead of an esoteric level. That's why I'm explaining it to you esoterically, metaphysically, psychologically, showing you it's all about the mind. Okay, and so the political system would make you believe that you need some government outside of yourself. But self-government is where the power is. So you have to practice self-discipline, self-mastery. That is why you have to do these things daily to be able to create new neural pathways in your brain. Just as when you go to the gym and you exercise, you're breaking down muscle tissues and they're going to rebuild with new muscle tissues to give you bigger muscles. So too you must exercise the mind. And the same thing will happen with your mind. New neural pathways will be opened by you accepting change and doing things differently. So my brother, my sisters, this information that I'm sharing with you would not make any sense to you if you do not become a doer and not just a hearer. This is very much practical more than theoretical. Okay, this is not me just giving you information, okay, to give you a big head. This is me giving you information to work up on yourself. This is me giving you information to focus your energy inwardly and to help you to learn to love yourself and believe in yourself and embrace yourself. And when I say yourself, I'm speaking about your true essence, your spiritual self, because you're a spirit having a human experience. Okay, so tap into your treasure and use the power of your treasure to achieve your every desire. That is why you're told that you would receive such a blessing that you would not have room enough to store that blessing. Well, the blessing of which the Bible, which is a book of mind science, is speaking of, is the blessing of having wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. The knowledge and understanding of self would become wisdom when you apply these things in your life and you prove for yourself and you live the rest of your life by knowing instead of believing. There's a difference between knowing and believing. Become a witness by putting these things to work in your life. All it takes is self-discipline. It's not motivation, it's self-discipline. This message might motivate you, but if you never take inspired action, okay, it wouldn't make sense. So self-discipline is the key. Okay, put these things to work in your life daily and prove for yourself that there's a treasure within you and you've been ignoring that treasure. Okay, so with that being said, my brother and my sisters, I want to thank you very much for listening to me. I want to say to you, if this is the very first time that you're listening to me and what I'm saying, if it really makes sense to you, if it really resonates with you and you haven't subscribed already, I definitely want to encourage you to subscribe, to like, to comment, or to share this video. Also, if you like to follow me on Instagram, if you like to follow me on TikTok, you can definitely follow me at BlackMadGuru. And if you haven't got my books as yet, the links are down below. You can get them on Amazon. Also, if you like to do a one-on-one with me, you can reach out to me by way of email and we can set up a one-on-one, or you can reach out to me by way of Faithia. There's an app called Faithia. I'm on that app. Okay, you can reach out to me there and we can have one-on-one there also. The choice is yours. Also, if you would like to become a part of my Patreon community, you're most welcome. I have a course there for people donating $20 or more. It's called the Inner Sun Science and Technology to Create Your Reality Consciously. And along with that is a bonus course on self-concept. So my last encouragement to you is to make sure that you check out all of the links that are down below and let your intuition definitely lead you and guide you into what to do. So with that being said, I just want to say peace, love you all, out.